Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.